Hello Tech Tribers, welcome back to All Things Data. Welcome guys. In today's video, we're looking at a complete roadmap to becoming a data analyst. About 3 months back, I made a video where I was plugging you guys with some of the few sites where we can learn data analytics for free. And upon completion, we get our certificates. So today's video is something kind of like a follow-up to that one, but we're specifically looking at the tools that we really need to master, especially for those who are looking to put their portfolios in order. They're looking to put the skills that really matter on their resumes, and they're looking to play around with their LinkedIn pages, especially for recruiters to notice them. Okay, because 2026 is almost here. People are looking to start applying, companies are already hiring, and you are like, where do I start? Where do I focus so much on? So this video is for you. I'll be giving you some of the tools that I believe that you need to master. And if there's anything that I'm going to miss, or you feel like I should have mentioned and you're a data analyst already, please do let the Tech Tribers know in the comment section. I do really love when people engage with me. I really love when people start sharing some of the things that we know nothing about. I hope you guys do comment. Any questions, whatever that it is, please do let me know in the comment section. But before we get started, like always, let me first start by asking you guys to like this video, to share this video with whomever you believe is going to benefit them. Okay, those especially who are looking to start applying and their heads are just all over the place and they want to put their portfolios in order. And mostly, please do kindly click on that subscribe button. And to everyone who has subscribed to All Things Data so far, thank you so much. I see you. I appreciate you for becoming a Tech Tribe. Now, going into our topic of the complete roadmap to becoming a data analyst. First things first, let's understand what a data analyst is and what is it that they do on their day-to-day job. All right, especially for those who don't know what a data analyst is, but they want to get into the field. So a data analyst is someone who collects, cleans, and analyzes data to help businesses make better informed decisions. They turn numbers into insights using tools like Excel, SQL, Python, and some visualization softwares. Okay, so that's basically what a data analyst is. Now going to the skills or the tools that I really feel like you need to master to become one, or to just put more effort on and start working on those projects to put on your portfolios. I believe the first thing is to learn the foundations. And according to me, the foundations of data analytics is understanding Excel and Google Sheets. When you learn that Excel and Google Sheets, please focus on learning formulas, pivot tables, how to create charts, and data cleaning on Excel. Okay, practice analyzing real data, work with real data and on data sets such as sales and customer data. Okay, and the resources where you can learn all of these, check out Excel Skills for Business. Is completely free on Coursera with audit. Okay, so which means you're going to check out audit first, so that it's going to take you to Coursera. And the other one is Google Sheets YouTube tutorials. Here on YouTube, there's so many things that we can learn, right? So take advantage of the Google Sheets YouTube tutorials. And lastly, which is my favorite, is Microsoft Learn Excel modules. Microsoft Learn, it's completely free, and they've got so many other courses that one can learn. I always plug people with Microsoft Learn in most of the videos I make, because if you want to get into cybersecurity, Microsoft Learn has got you covered. Data analytics, software development, whatever field that it is that you want in the tech space, you can find it on Microsoft Learn. Okay, and it's completely free for everyone, so you don't have to pay. So do check out these resources and start mastering Excel and Google Sheets and understanding some CSV files there and there. Okay, and the goal of mastering the foundations of Excel and Google Sheets, I believe that you're going to be comfortable with organizing, cleaning, and summarizing your data. And once you're able to do that, pure gold. bliss. Okay, so now let's go to the second one that I believe that you need to master as a data analyst. Master SQL. Go and learn SQL, guys. SQL is the bread and butter of every data analyst. Like when whatever that you are in data, in the field of data, be it you're a business analyst, be it you're a business intelligence, data scientist, data engineer, SQL is exactly where we get our bread and butter. Okay, so it's your bread and butter as a data analyst to learn SQL and master. All right. You're going to be using SQL to extract and manipulate data from databases. And the things that I believe that you really need to focus on as you learn and master this tool is to focus mainly on topics such as select, where, group by, join, and aggregate functions. So make sure that you master those. And some of the free sites that you can practice with, the resources you can look out for is W3 Schools SQL. W3 Schools SQL is perfect, completely free. The second one that I believe that you can also check out is Mode SQL tutorials. They're also great. They're also a great platform that you can learn from. And the other one is Lead Code SQL challenges. Okay, these platforms, I believe that they're the best. And if you feel like there's any other platform where people can learn SQL, or you have discovered it and you think people can make quite good use of it to excel and master the tool of SQL, please do share it in the comments, because hey, we are not leaving anyone behind. Okay, we have to master these tools, we have to understand them, we have to upskill, we have to keep in. And the goal for learning SQL, guys, is to be able to pull insights directly from databases. Okay, because you work with a lot of database and relational tables and stuff like that. Okay, so please do master SQL as you're working on those projects. The third one that I believe that you need to master, but before we get into the third one, I am a Microsoft ElevateHER ambassador. Okay, so please guys, do register for the Microsoft ElevateHER program. This is a program initiated by Microsoft Elevate together with Women in Tech, because they want to empower over 50,000 women across Africa with AI skills. So in this program, you're going to learn the foundations of AI, business AI essentials, and career AI essentials. And my favorites are business and career. For those who are in business, it's going to teach you a whole lot of things that you need to learn, especially when you're working with AI, because it just simplifies things, right? And it will also teach you how to not put so much information with your business and share it with AI, because AI is just a tool and anyone can manipulate it and they can be able to get your business information from it. And I've seen many people just oversharing their personal details with AI, and imagine what damage it can do for your business. So take advantage of the program. And for my girlies in careers who are looking to put their LinkedIn in order, who are looking to master those interviews, okay, take advantage of the career AI essentials as well. So you get to understand AI and using AI tools on different levels: foundational AI, business essentials, career essentials. All these things, they are free, okay, at no cost. And as you learn these programs, I want you guys to know that they are also running bi-weekly competitions based on themes. So I do share the themes weekly on my TikTok page. Please do follow me on TikTok for weekly themed competitions or challenges. All right, and as you enter for those challenges, you get to win some amazing prizes. Some of the prizes include your Takealot voucher, your data, the Women in Tech mesh, just to name a few. And the grand prize is a fully paid trip to Cape Town for the Women in Tech Global Summit 2026, which will be happening in April next year. Okay, so you don't want to miss it, especially if you're a woman in tech and you want to network on a very larger, bigger scale and get to connect with recruiters, get to connect with people globally, companies in the global, and you want to work outside South Africa. I think you really need to take advantage of the weekly themed competitions. You need to start learning. You need to register. Guys, register for the Microsoft ElevateHER program. The link is in the description, and even here on the screen is this one that is showing here. Okay, so please do register for the Microsoft ElevateHER program. Share with others, let them know about this program. So now we are almost 10 minutes into this video. I don't want it to be more than 15 minutes, so let's rush to the other one. Number 3 on the things that we really need to master, or the tools that we need to master as data analytics, as we put our portfolios in order, is to learn programming languages. Okay, the program language that I recommend is Python. Learn Python. Okay, once you're comfortable with SQL, move to Python. This is the most popular language for analytics. And some of the things that you need to focus on is libraries such as pandas. Pandas is used for data manipulation, and the other ones that you need to focus on is matplotlib and seaborn. These are some of the libraries that are used mainly for visualization. And the third one is NumPy for numerical work. Okay, you're working with a lot of numbers, and NumPy is a library for you to master. Okay, and the resources that you need to take advantage of is FreeCodeCamp, Python for data analysis, and the other one is Kaggle, Learn Python, and the last one is DataCamp. Which DataCamp, it has not entirely free, but they've got some free tracks there and there. Take advantage of it as well, because it's a great platform. All these platforms that I have said here, they are great. Take advantage of them. And the goal for this one to learn a programming language is to have the ability to automate data cleaning and analysis. Okay, so programming language is the best, and it actually opens more doors for you in other companies as you move across the ranks. Okay, and the other one, which is number 4, that I believe that you need to learn and master, is a data visualization. Learn how to communicate your insights visually. Okay, and you need to also learn using these tools: Power BI, Tableau, and the Python libraries that I just mentioned, which is matplotlib and seaborn. Okay, so make sure that you master those. And the resources that are also completely free for you to learn is Microsoft Power BI Learn Path, which is free. And the other one is Tableau Public plus tutorials on YouTube. This one, you get it on YouTube. Okay, you're gonna learn it on YouTube. And the last one is to make dashboards from real data sets. Guys, as you are busy working on these data sets, please make sure that you are using real data sets. Okay, and especially if you are going to be building the interactive dashboards and stuff like that, and you want to show them on your LinkedIn, or as you make those screenshots and share on your LinkedIn for recruiters to see. I have seen many people share their dashboards on LinkedIn, and they're looking good, they're looking proper, and they're working on real data sets, and you can see the kind of problems that they were trying to solve, right? So please do take advantage of working with the real data sets, so that your goal can be to tell stories with data, real stories with data. Okay, remember that as a data analyst or as a data scientist or whatever that it is, your goal is to always master storytelling. You have to understand storytelling. I always say this. Okay, and if you're a tech triber, you know that I'm always preaching understand and master storytelling. If you have the ability to tell a story with your data, you are done. Like proper stuff. You will know exactly what you're trying to figure out with your data set. Master storytelling. Okay, so now we are going to the 5th one, which is statistics and business understanding. Hear me out. I'm not saying go and learn statistics. You don't have to be a statistician for this one. Okay, I want you guys to be able to understand the basics. The basics, I mean the mean, the median, the mode, which you will be doing in your Python, okay? And you're going to understand correlation, and you will also try to master understanding probability and hypothesis testing. All right, so these are some of the things that I'm talking about when I say understand statistics and business understanding, right? And I want you to also learn how to do the whole data feed, how the data feeds into business problems, okay? And you're going to look at things like marketing, operations, sales, and these ones that I'm mentioning, you can take advantage of the platform called Allison. Allison is not free, but learning is free actually, but to get the certificates you have to pay for it. So take advantage and learn with Allison, and the knowledge doesn't go anywhere. Even if you don't pay for the certificate, but you have the knowledge, so you keep it with you. The understanding of the concepts and the topics and the tools, that's what you need, okay? But should you have the money to pay for your certificates and show it off to your LinkedIn and recruiters, that's perfect. But if you don't have the money to pay for certificates, you can still learn for free without getting your certification, right? So now getting to step 6, which I believe this is the most important tool for you, is to build projects, guys, okay? As you master your SQL, your Python, and you are there working on your Excel and your Google Sheets, please build projects. This is your only way to show recruiters that you can actually do the work. Don't copy people's work, okay? Do it on your own so that you can be able to understand it. There's nothing as beautiful as someone who can be able to tell a story with their own work, who can be able to explain what they did with their projects. That's beautiful. All right, and they don't have to be perfect, but as long as you understand what you're trying to solve. Guys, I always say that I look at the projects that I did about 4 years back and I laugh, looking how far I've come. We learn and we grow by building projects. So guys, build projects and your portfolios and try to polish them up, okay? So at least build about 3 to 5 projects and work on things like sales analysis dashboards, work on customer chain analysis, COVID-19 data trends, and social media engagements insights. Some will say that people have been working on this for the longest of time. There's nothing different. Yes, you're right. I'm saying these projects because you can get a few examples that people have worked on before you can try to make it your own and work on it, right? Yes. When I say don't copy people's work, I'm just saying that don't take someone's work and just pin it and push it there and you don't even do any thorough work on it and try to own it, okay? It's like you just copy and paste. You don't try to understand the logic. You don't try to understand why they did the findings. They did the things they did, or how did they get the findings that they got, things like that. That's what I'm talking about. But I'm just saying this, and if you feel that you want to work on different data sets, you can also do that, okay? So yeah, work on those things and start uploading your work on GitHub and put your work on LinkedIn. You can share your links on LinkedIn for people to check out your work, okay? So do take advantage of LinkedIn, guys. Do take advantage of LinkedIn. And the last one, which I believe that is what most of us are doing now, is to apply. Let's apply and to grow. Once we have our projects put together in place, let's start applying. Let's look for internships, for freelance work, and some entry-level data analyst roles that are open already, okay? Text them. Like there by LinkedIn inbox, hello, I've seen that you're open for this. I don't highly recommend it, but I've seen most of recruiters, people who are recruiting, they will be like, hey, I get in touch with recruiters and stuff like that. Some take offense, like if you just connected and you're already asking for a job. Right? I don't know. I think one day I'll invite someone who's a recruiter here so that we can just have a chat about actually going to text recruiters who posted a job on LinkedIn. Like, is it a good thing? Is it a bad thing? Like, we'll see in the future, right? Yeah. And remember to keep learning these advanced topics that I shared with you: SQL optimization, data storytelling, and should you want to advance and get into something like data science or machine learning engineer, also try to learn machine learning for analytics, okay? So yeah, that can really help you. There are many platforms where we can learn machine learning for analytics. The goal here is to keep improving and sharing our work publicly. If you are shy to share your work publicly, chances are that you're going to always be applying the traditional way, applying through links and stuff like that. And it doesn't always work for everyone. And with this ATS system that just brushes off CVs already and cut down on the numbers of people, you might never make it. So yeah, work on those projects and show them publicly. If you want to share them via your TikTok, your YouTube, or whatever platform that you want to show off your work, please, whatever it is that you feel like you can do it, okay, so that we can be out there in the market and you can be seen and your work can be realized. And that's it. That's the complete roadmap to becoming a data analyst from me. And if you feel that there's anything that I left out, please do let us know in the comment section. I have come to the end of the video. Please remember to register for the Microsoft ElevateHER Program and start entering for those weekly themed competitions. Follow me on TikTok as well so that you can be able to enter and win some awesome prizes. This Friday, we are winning the Takealot Black Friday Voucher. I hope you take advantage of it. I wish you nothing but the best as we are busy building our portfolios and as we are busy working on strengthening and upskilling our tools, okay, to becoming hireable data analyst. This is it from me. I hope you do click on that subscribe button, and until the next one, guys, bye.